I don't understand it. I don't understand it. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak slower, please? Could you speak slower, please? How can I help you? How can I help you? Could you help me, please? Could you help me, please? What do you think about that? What do you think about that? Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. I am learning English. I am learning English. It's been a pleasure to see you again. It's been a pleasure to see you again. Have fun. Have fun. Take care. Take care. What time is it? What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. Of course. Of course. Sure. Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. What does it mean? What does it mean? In half an hour. In half an hour. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I didn't mean it that way. It wasn't my intention. It wasn't my intention. What time does it begin? What time does it begin? Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in. I live in. See you soon. See you soon. See you later. See you later. Goodbye. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. What do you mean? What do you mean? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Don't worry, it doesn't matter. Don't worry, it doesn't matter. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. What's your name? What's your name? My name is. My name is. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. How are you? How are you? How is it going? How is it going? How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm fine, thanks. I'm fine, thanks. Where are you from? Where are you from? What do you do? What do you do? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? How's the weather today? How's the weather today? It's hot here. It's hot here. Are you ready? Are you ready?